What's up everyone, my name's Jake. Welcome to my channel, Faith and... What? Here's my little helper, Liliana. She's gonna be with us today. Say hey, Lily. Say hello. Say I love you.
Love you.
So being my first video, I thought it would be appropriate to make an introduction to me so you can learn who I am, a little bit about my family, what I'm about, what I plan to do my channel about. Give me a kiss. Oh. So we're gonna do the best we can with Lily. You okay?
What?
My channel is going to be about my faith and my walk with Christ, as well as firearms. We're going to be doing a lot of shooting. We're going to be reviewing some guns.
Hi guys.
You want what?
I want my dad's button.
Okay, 1 second. So like I was saying, if you guys are interested in what I'm doing, I've got a lot of good content coming. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit the post notification bells as well. It's gonna let you know whenever I upload some more content. More Lily to come. See you guys. You gotta tell the camera, say comment, say subscribe.